Introducing Entire Pro's concentrated liquid dishwasher detergent, a high-strength solution built for the rigorous demands of commercial dishwashing. Entire Pro's formula is designed for use with all types of commercial dishwashers. Simply adjust the dosage according to the manufacturer's guidelines and environmental factors like water hardness and a degree of soiling. Engineered to tackle fats, oils and grease quickly, this advanced formula removes the toughest marks and debris from plates, crockery and cutlery. With added tannin remover, even stubborn tea and coffee stains vanish effortlessly. Featuring a powerful combination of caustic alkali and scale control agents, Entire Pro's unique formula effortlessly removes fats and dried on food residues, even in hard water areas. Choose Entire Pro, delivering powerful cleaning and pristine results every time.